Hi, I'm Gene with UPLIFT Desk. Recently, we've seen some companies claim their standing desks could be assembled in 5 minutes, so we thought we would time ours for comparison. Today, I'm going to show you how long it can take to build an UPLIFT desk in real time. I'll also give you a few quick tips to help make your desk assembly more convenient. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest UPLIFT desk assembly videos, and check back soon for our step-by-step V2 height adjustable desk assembly video. Building your desk on a raised surface will make the assembly process a little easier. We also recommend using a blanket or some kind of protective covering to prevent any scratches, and a buddy to help you flip your new desk over when you're finished. Now, I've assembled a fair share of desks in my day, and as you can see, I have all the parts laid out in front of me to help speed the process along. Just a few things to keep in mind when checking my time. Now sit back and enjoy the assembly, and I'll catch up with you near the end of this video. and 7 minutes and 6 seconds is my time. We hope to see you build your own UPLIFT desk and share your time with us. Here, I'm installing anchor plates into our patent-pending frame mounting points. These anchor plates can suspend our under-desk hammock on desks at least 72 inches wide. We also have a lot of amazing accessories coming that will attach to these mounting points, so stay tuned. We think you'll like them, and they will definitely make your workday more enjoyable. We'll be skipping over wire management, since it's up to you how you want to manage your cords. Now, you could go out and buy a height-adjustable desk that could be put together in 5 minutes, or you could get yourself an UPLIFT desk which is also height adjustable, extremely sturdy and reliable, highly customizable, and backed by a 7-year warranty, all at a really great price. Personally, I think the small amount of extra assembly time is well worth going with an UPLIFT desk. So that's it. If you have any questions, give us a call or chat with us directly at upliftdesk.com. Thanks for watching.